when I stop and look around me, I realize that this is a dream that I would have never imagined could be so awesome that I manifested. Hi guys, welcome to my backyard. I have this peaceful oasis in my backyard that really is exactly like what you imagine in the guided meditations when the meditation guide says, imagine you're walking down a grassy path into the forest and there's light peeking between the trees and the grass feels so light and fluffy beneath your feet, and there's some apple trees with apples on them, and when you reach the end of the path there's a beautiful clearing with sun on it, a beautiful grassy clearing. This is exactly what I have in my backyard, and I am so grateful for that. It's just so awesome. I still can't believe I found this place to date on this island. So in this video I'm going to share with you my secret to manifesting anything you want in life. This is what is working for me. I'm happy to share it with you all. This is something that's very valuable, and I am sharing it with you for free because I know that money is going to just flow to me naturally just by doing these things and being my authentic self and sharing my spiritual self with the world without any shame or doubt. So the first step is to get to a peaceful place in nature where you can be by yourself. Or you could go to some sort of a spiritual center or a church or something that you have a spiritual connection with. For me, I always am able to connect spiritually with nature. It's readily available to me. It's right in my backyard. So this is where I go to manifest my dreams and to reconnect with myself and to nature, because those all three are interconnected. You need to reconnect with yourself, reconnect with nature in order to manifest anything that you want in life. In the natural spot, the best situation is if you can go bare feet. So I have removed my sandals. I am barefoot over here. Let's see. To reconnect with the earth, it's really a great way to do that. Next, I like to have my hands out like that or up in the sky. I do a little mix of both. But I like to be in this position because we have a lot of energy from our hands, and we can actually do so much with our hands, especially healing and curing. And this position shows that I'm open, and I feel very open to receive energy in this position. And I am also trusting in the energy that is coming from my hands. I've been told I have good energy in my hands, and ever since the ayahuasca retreat this year, I really noticed anytime I have even a stomach ache, if I put my hands on it, the pain goes away instantaneously. It's really incredible. So I am tapping more into hand power. So hands out or up, or however you feel comfortable. I gravitate to doing this. And then take a couple of deep breaths and just focus on that breath. Focus on breathing. Feel the air touch the surface of your body and your skin. Feel the earth beneath your feet. For me, it feels moist and cold. And just experience what it feels like to be in your human body. It's something we take for granted on a daily basis. And reconnecting with this natural environment, I like to express gratitude for the trees surrounding me that provide oxygen for us to breathe in, for this natural, peaceful oasis that I found myself in my backyard. I really feel so incredibly blessed. So this is the moment to express gratitude for the things that you do have in life, and I know people's lives are hard and it's hard to find things to be grateful for sometimes, but there's always something to be grateful for. You can start with something as simple as being alive, because being alive is a miracle, it's a blessing. So it doesn't have to be complicated. I'll always like to express gratitude for the nature surrounding me, for living in a peaceful place where I can thrive, because this is exactly the environment that I thrive in on a daily basis. Having the opportunity to reconnect to nature. Not everybody has this right at their fingertips, and for me this is the therapy that I need on a regular basis, so I have access to that. And I'm happy to share this with the world. So, gratitude. Once you've done your gratitude, take a moment to visualize the type of life you would like to live and your ideal self. That looks different for everybody. So just visualize what that looks like for you, and it can be something very general, but when you close your eyes or have your eyes open and just visualize it, I am sure you have something that comes to mind. It might be hard for you to vocalize it, but I am sure that you can imagine what your ideal best self looks like and the type of life you'd like to live. You don't have to know exactly what career or profession or whatever, but like what do you want to be doing with your time? How do you want to be investing your energy, and what do your surroundings look like on a daily basis? In your ideal world, what does it look like when you wake up and start your day? What expression do you have on your face? What are the kind of people you have that are present in your ideal life? So visualize that, and then just remember to be patient and trust that the universe will put everything into place for you when the time is right. And don't doubt that. Just trust and believe that it will happen, and it will happen, and you are welcome to try this out and comment back when it does happen. Just remember to be patient. We all want answers overnight. It's not realistic. It's not going to happen that way. But when you trust and just surrender to the flow of life and remember to let life happen. These are all lessons I learned while consuming plant medicine this year, by the way, ayahuasca. So grateful for ayahuasca. But as soon as we're able to surrender to the flow of life and just go about our day-to-day while following our hearts, you'll be surprised at how fast your results are going to come to you, even way better than you ever could have imagined, because the universe always comes through way better than you ever could even imagine in your mind. And we just have to trust that it's going to happen. Just trust. When the time is right for you, those things will fall into place for you. Just as when the time is right for me, the things will fall into place for me. A lot of really incredible things happened to me recently. I'm still in awe and almost disbelief. Still wondering if it's true, if it's real, if all this stuff's really going to happen. But I got in my back pocket that wisdom that what is meant to be will be, and I'm going to let life happen. I'm going to keep an open mind. I'm going to not cling too much to expectations, because I know plans can change, but everything happens for a reason. So I'm just going to be open. I'm doing the best that I can. I'm taking all the right steps. This is a wonderful time for affirmations as well. These are affirmations I use for myself. You're welcome to use them if they resonate with you. I'm on the right path. Things take time. Just be patient. Everything that's happening now I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be right now. That's another great reminder. And another affirmation I've been saying to myself recently is I want to make money effortlessly. So there's my affirmation. And I'm just waiting for the puzzle pieces to come together. A lot of really wonderful things have happened, and before going to Brazil this year, I would often come back in my backyard and follow these steps that I've explained right here in this video for you all. imagining the life I wanted to live. For me, that was being close to nature, being calm and balanced in my day-to-day, doing good in the world, making a positive impact, working with spirituality, because I value spirituality so much nowadays, and I want to do work that is fulfilling to me. I had a very general sense of what I wanted to do in life. I didn't know exactly where to start or what to do. I went to Brazil, followed my heart, went to this plant medicine retreat, met the love of my life, and suddenly I was living the life that I imagined myself living from my backyard, but it was even better than I ever imagined, and it happened so much faster than I ever expected. So this is why I am sharing with you all my technique for manifesting anything that you want in life. Now, I will say that the intention has to be good. You don't want to be manifesting evil things in the world. Love is the answer. Kindness is the answer. We need more positivity and abundance in our life. We should not be wishing bad things onto other people, because by doing that, it's just going to come back to you at some point in life, because that's how karma works. I don't know if anybody else has directly experienced karma in your lives. I have many times, not because I've really done anything bad to anyone, but multiple times in my life, I've found myself in a situation that was identical to somebody else in my life who had been in the same situation that I judged them for, because I hadn't experienced what it was like to be in their shoes. And that's happened to me so many times that now when I encounter such a situation, I know that if it's hard for me to understand it at some point, or if it's a difficult situation, I'm just waiting for that same situation to happen to me so that I can fully understand and have that deep empathy for that situation from direct experience. Yeah, this felt so good. Thank you all for joining me on my Manifestation 101 course. I was really just inspired to do this, and all my videos on my channel are just things that I feel inspired to do in the moment. I am an authentic person. I can't do anything that's forced, so when I'm inspired, I just go for it. And I just felt like tonight was a good day. Tonight was a good night to do this and to have this for you all to see. I've been struggling with anxiety since I've been back, all for good things. I'm just so excited because of all the wonderful, incredible connections I made at Halloween Music Festival last weekend, and I'm just so excited that I'm just I can't believe what's happening to me. So I had to take a time to get outside. I'm trying to make a point of getting outside a little bit every day, especially when it's nice out, because where I live in Canada, we get a lot of crap weather, and then winter's coming. It's really incredible how warm it is today, though. It's November and I'm in shorts and going barefoot, so that's crazy. But yeah, anytime I start to feel anxious or out of my body, I get outside or do yoga, get back into my body, and do exactly what I've described in the video. Ground myself, express gratitude, and make my wishes that I know the universe will make come true for me. So follow those 3 steps. Trust from the bottom of your heart that it will work. And let me know what else works for you. This is my technique that's been working for me, and we are all made of energy. I'm very proud to say that I attract a lot of wonderful things and people and opportunities in my life because I have positive energy and positive outlook on life. And I'm very much in tune to negativity, and I don't like to be around negative people and negative activities, anything negative. Or I don't even like to watch TV because I find the advertisements just exhausting and just stuff like that. I just want to reconnect as much as possible, devote my time as much as possible to my health, well-being, mental health, physical health, and my spirituality, because when I can be in good health myself and really show love and kindness to myself, then I can also help others. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for tuning in. Check out my other videos. Hopefully you'll subscribe. My name is Lydia, and this is my channel, Live Your Life. Bye. All the dreams will come true. just trust. All our dreams are meant to come true. Don't limit yourself. Stop making excuses. Just believe. Set your priorities. Let life happen. Let's do this.